Hey, what's up, Atlanteans? Cody here, and I just want to thank each and every one of you Atlanteans for your amazing support. For the past month, we had the finale for Atlantis Adventures, Broken Mods Hospital, Who's Your Daddies, my brand new Minecraft series that launched, and this is now the brand new series, Supreme Court of Mods. And Atlanteans, can I ask one thing from you? Can we go for 10,000 likes on this episode? That would mean the world. Just share the video, even hit the share button or whatever, and give the series some just support, because judging behind me, the map is pretty freaking awesome, and there was a lot of work put into it. Now, Mr. Kevin from the Minute Minecraft Parodies YouTube channel is the judge in this series, and huge thank you to him. If you guys want to go check out his channel, he's going to be having some Minecraft roleplays and doing a lot of other stuff. But anyways, enjoy this first episode, and Atlanteans, unite! Oh, there's the courthouse. Okay, perfect. Let me make sure I have everything I need. My lucky rock, check. Phone, yep. Pants, wait, hold on. I'm not wearing any pants! Well, a penguin. It doesn't really matter. Food? Okay, I got some steak and chips. Alright, my first day being a lawyer. Let's try not to screw it up. Defending the people of Atlantis. That's a pretty big job. Rasmus was not happy when he heard about what happened. That shark, I don't know what his problem is. I saved him, and now he just wants... I don't know. Some people are just in it for the money. Oh my god! Guys, you made it! You made it to... Oh my god. You made it. I can't believe it. What are you doing here, Chief? Hey, Cody, you didn't think you were going to start your first day being a lawyer without the support of all of us, now did you? Well, it didn't cross my mind. I thought you guys were all going to be too busy dealing with all the rioters outside the hospital and everything. How you doing, Nurse Chica? What have I become? I mean, honestly, you're the head of Freddy Fazbear, and... you know, that wasn't my decision. You know, it's Groot. Stealing my job and everything. Nurse Nina? Okay, piss off. Okay. Harsh feelings there, it looks like. What's up, man? What are you talking about? You're talking gibberish. I don't know what you're saying. Leave me alone. What's going on? Is it Paul or Patty? Okay, Mr. Mario. You realize the only reason why we're here is because we're all out of a job, right? Thanks, I guess? Headless Nurse. You got us into this mess, you better get us out of it. I'm trying here! How did I think helping and doing a surgery would get us all pretty much fired? And, you know, I didn't know. I was just saving somebody's life. Mr. Endy. How's it going? Have you seen Carrie? No. My old girlfriend, Carrie. Sissy, my new girlfriend. She actually is up at your office. Well, thanks, guys. Don't tell her I mixed up with her name with Carrie. Do not. I'll know it's you. I'll know it's you. This courthouse is insane. Let's not screw it up, I guess. Or the headless nurse will have my head. Hello, do you know where my office is? I'm, the King of Atlantis, Dr. Maverick. Lawyer Maverick now. I'm sorry, who are you? You probably weren't briefed. Do you know where my office is? This is the courtroom, not a petting zoo? Excuse me? I'm the King of Atlantis. Ma'am, do you know where my office is? Please, tell me. Security, help! No. Okay, this isn't cool, sir. I'm the new lawyer, the new attorney. I have this new case. I'm sorry, but I'm the king, and if you're gonna be attacking me, there's no way I want to go down without a fight here. Back off! Oh God, I gotta get out of here. I'm going back to the hospital.
Whoa, Henry, hey, whoa, Mr. Maverick,
I don't want any...
Easy there, gentlemen. Oh, we're just playing a little prank on you, my friend. A little prank.
I'm
First
sorry.
day.
You were trying to kill your men were trying to kill me.
No. That's just Henry. He gets a little enthusiastic sometimes, but don't worry. We were just doing a little first day hazing on you, Mr. Maverick. Welcome to the courthouse.
You guys scared me half to death. I mean,
I know, but you know
who
what?
are you?
Who am I?
Yeah.
I'm the angry judge. Don't you know me?
I'm sorry, I haven't heard of you. How do you spell that? Is that with a Q?
It's not with a Q.
Or a G?
It's angry spelled the normal way, and then judge with a J.
Is that a wig?
Capital J.
Is that no? That
no. Don't my hair. I don't.
Let me just pull on it real quick.
No, sir. Here, why don't you come on inside? You seem a little shaken up from that scuffle. Why don't you come back into my office? We'll talk about boundaries and what's going to be expected of you on this first day.
Okay.
Come on, right back here. Don't
Henry's
you worry about
not
all
around
these
here, right?
folks. Oh, no. Well, he may be. But don't worry about him. I'll have a talk with him later.
Oh my god. This is the courtroom?
This is the courtroom.
What do you guys do here?
This is where all the magic happens. Well, we hear court cases in the court.
I'm gonna be speaking in front of all of these people?
Yeah. You know, it's part of the job. I don't know if anybody told you, but being a lawyer kind of requires these things. Hey guys, this will be part of the jury.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's the shark. There's the shark.
There he is.
Don't get too close.
I don't know if I trust that character.
He's a blood-sucking lawyer.
Can't trust those blood-sucking lawyers. Except for you. You we can trust, and me.
Penguins don't actually suck blood. Unlike contrary belief, we are not like bats. We are more or less like polar bears.
Really?
So we will maul you if you get too close.
Huh.
Like, I'm saying back up. Like, sorry.
Well,
Two
judging
more
by the way
blocks.
that fight went down with Henry, it didn't really seem like penguins were as tough as polar bears, but alright, if you insist,
Give me my Atlantean spear and let's see what happens.
Alright. We're dragging Atlantean spears into this thing now. Why don't you come on back here into my office? Make yourself comfortable.
Sure, why not?
Sit down over here by my desk. We can have a little chat.
How'd you get this office, man? This is a sweet pad.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, huh? I mean, I had to kill a few guys, but that's the perk of being a judge, I guess.
Don't you have to follow the laws being a judge?
I'm a judge. I can throw out cases whenever they inconvenience me.
That's pretty insane, dude. I might have to be a judge.
Yeah, this whole place is just a corrupt mess.
So if I kill you, that means I'm judge.
No.
Oh.
No.
Sorry.
No,
I
it's
thought
like
that's how it worked.
No. I mean, I don't really know. I haven't actually read any of these law books, but I'm just saying no. Please don't kill me. That Atlantean spear actually sounded pretty tough.
You know I'm the king of Atlantis, right?
I do now.
What you're saying is treason.
Well, the courts might decide differently.
Yeah, you got the court stacked, don't you?
Well, I think we've done enough posturing, if you might say. Why don't you tell me a little bit? I would like to find out more about how you wound up here, Mr. Maverick, because I believe you were working over at the hospital, weren't you?
Yeah, well, I mean, how I became to become who I was, I don't know my mom, I don't know my dad, but I know I'm the king of Atlantis, and I was a surgeon before I was the king of Atlantis. At least what my memory serves me, right? And I've been doing surgeries for about 3 months now, 4 months, over at the Atlantean Mods Hospital. And this dude, this shark came in, he was unconscious, he wasn't making any sense, and he had a problem. His stomach was all bubbly, it was all a mess, it was gross. Like, you know gas, right? When you get some gas building up in your stomach and it's all bubbly.
Yes, I'm familiar with this gas.
Well, his stomach was entirely green and there was bubbles, actual bubbles. It wasn't just like inside his stomach, they were sticking out. It was bad. And me being a great surgeon and all, I cut open his stomach.
Hang on a second. Hang on.
You okay?
Oh.
You pooping?
Oh, I don't feel so good. That story was a little bit graphic.
Which word? Throwing up or stomach or
okay.
bubbly?
Yeah,
Puke?
all of those.
Are you gonna puke? Oh God! I'm a doctor. I know what to do. Heimlich.
No, Heimlich. Oh, okay. I'm okay now. I'm okay.
Okay.
I think it passed.
Can I continue?
Yes. All right. Carry on.
Okay. So yes, as I was saying. So the shark, I fixed him up. I mean, there was a bunch of Oh God, you don't like surgeries, do you?
Okay.
There was trash in his stomach.
There
was trash in his stomach, and then I took it all out, and I thought he was good to go. And then I came in the next day, and there was riots. There was news crews. There was investigations. Man, I don't know, but I'm gonna represent the hospital and the people of Atlantis.
Well, judging by what you said before, I didn't realize that you never knew your parents. You know that I knew your father, right?
You killed my father?
I did not kill your father.
You killed my father?
You are not Inigo Montoya, my friend.
You are my father.
I am not your father. I did not kill your father. I knew your father, young man. And he was one of the finest lawyers that Atlantis has ever seen.
Poseidon?
Poseidon.
So I was destined to become a lawyer then.
You might say that it was your destiny.
Well, what was my father like? Did he like reading books? Did he like playing basketball? Did he like? I at night, it's like at 9 o'clock, my butt gets really itchy, and I have to like itch for at least like half an hour. Did he ever mention something like that?
It actually came up very frequently. Yes, when we were working together, our secretary would frequently have to leave whatever they were doing helping me to go and help him scratch his butt.
Is that another one of your jokes?
I don't joke.
Oh. Well, what was that hazing about? Was that a joke? Or was that assault?
Well, that was joke-ish. That was in the realm of jokes. I wouldn't call it specifically 100%.
I think I just got you.
Perhaps a bit of jesting, I would say.
Jousting?
A bit of jesting.
See, these words, they're right over my head. I can't be a lawyer, man. I gotta go home.
No. Don't you get down on yourself. It's only your first day, Mr. Maverick.
Well,
take a look around. Drink this place in. All the beauty and wonder.
Can you show me around? I mean, at least a bit.
Of course. Now, if we take a look over here, we've got some of the finest clothes, all of my robes and things like this. Things that only a judge is allowed to use. Oh, no. Hey, put that gavel back right now.
Oh my God, you have a gavel?
Oh, put that gavel back.
I'm gonna go find Henry.
The person who gave me that gavel told me it would be my head if I ever lost it.
Okay, you can take it.
Okay, thank you. I'm just gonna keep that in my back pocket for now.
Whoa.
Never know who's gonna be roaming these halls.
What are these guys in for? Oh, these chums? They were sentenced to death for peeing on a statue. What? What is that? Angry Judge,
Oh.
what is that?
Mr. Star over here?
What, for peeing on a statue?
Oh, yeah. He's the usual hoodlum.
Is that a real law? Like, how does that make any sense? Peeing on a statue when he gets death?
Well, it's a capital offense. Sorry, I just, when I brought him in, he was cuffed and his head was down. I didn't get a good look at his face when they brought him in.
I
here.
really want to get a better look. I want to. This poor man. He doesn't even look like he can tie his shoes. He doesn't. He's not even wearing shoes. He's a Neanderthal. He's misunderstood. Please.
Maybe so.
Please, since you knew my father, let this man live. And let his friend live. Let's remove that law for the peeing on statue. That seems like a stupid one, like you can't spit on the sidewalk. That's just an idiot rule. Come on.
Boy,
people break that all the time.
I don't know. If we repeal that law, there's just gonna be peeing on statues without end.
If he says he's sorry, can he move on?
Well, I suppose if he really means it. Do you think we can trust that face?
I think we can trust that butt.
He can't even look us in the eyes.
Oh. Oh.
Mr. Star, are you sorry for what you did?
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
That sounded like a good apology to me.
I suppose so. All right, Mr. Star, you're free to go. Mr. Maverick. No, no. This is a setup. He's going to pee on me, isn't he?
I'm just kidding. Well,
Shaking
do you
my
know where my
ropes.
office is, man? I best get talking to Rasmus. I was gonna meet him here.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Oh, he blew up my phone. I got a bunch of messages from him, man. This isn't good. Oh, God.
Well, here, why don't I show you to your office? You can make yourself comfortable in there and answer any of the calls that you've missed.
Okay, that's good. Oh, excuse me, people. We're just preparing for a court case. Where I'm gonna kick that shark's butt. Oh, God, I shouldn't have said that. The jury's not gonna like that.
Now, let's see. Where, oh, where is that staircase? I rarely leave my back room.
I saw a staircase over here, sir.
Was there? Okay.
Is
Yeah,
it just
boy.
up here?
Ah, that looks like the staircase that I always forget where it is. Excellent,
Man,
excellent.
You would think you didn't work here.
Yeah, you would think so. Ah, yes, right over this way.
Oh,
Office of Attorney Maverick.
it's got a nice ring to it.
Just had it engraved this morning.
Well, I guess, I'll let you prepare, and then I'll get my, client all ready to go, and we can begin this shindig.
Sounds good. I can't tell you how important this case is going to be. All of Atlantis is depending on you, Mr. Maverick. No pressure.
I didn't think there was gonna be pressure.
Good, because there's none. There's no pressure.
Jeez, that guy's a nut. Rasmosai, what's going on, buddy? Cody, we cannot lose this case. If we do, the kingdom will go bankrupt. Please, with all your might, defend us in the court of the mods. Rasmus, don't worry, this is gonna be a cakewalk. I just talked to the judge. I mean, we're pretty much stacked. Oh, Sissy, what's going on? What's up? They said you were in here, Mr. Andy did. Hey, Cody, I wanted to wish you luck on your big day in court. I also made you a pie. Your favorite. Don't let that mean shark push you around. Well, don't worry. Wait, pie? Yes! Oh, I love me some cherry pie. Oh, no, that's strawberry. It's just the same. Thank you. Actually, whoops, I dropped it. Big deal. Well, I was just gonna prepare my case. Oh, wait. I did have to get, travel to the, slums. I guess that's where the, thing went down. The shark apparently was forced to eat or breathe in, like, this polluted water. I don't know, but I'm gonna get some more details down in the slums. And, hopefully we can find something out better. If not, like Rasmus said, we could lose all of Atlantis, not just the Atlantean Mods Hospital. Oh god, the slums of Atlantis are disgusting. I've never even been. Oh god, is that a used hairbrush? Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Oh god. Well, I was supposed to meet somebody here. The mysterious message said to meet her here, and she was gonna save Atlantis. I don't know, but it seems pretty deserted here to me. Wait, are you Mrs. Stretch? Ostrich? Are you willing to help Atlantis? Are you the one who wanted to help me and be a witness on my case, defending the people of Atlantis? I am glad to help. I am a 5th generation Atlantean. My family migrated from the savannah to live underwater away from predators. I would not want to see it be ruined by a lowlife like Snappy the shark. Did you see when the incident happened? That's key here. See it? I was right there. We were on a date, we had a great dinner, and then when we were walking home, he lost it. I'm not sure what, but something happened, and he snapped and dove into the dumpster. He was eating it. It wasn't pollution. He is a dumpster diver. Mrs. Stretch, if you will take the stand, you might just save Atlantis here. Let's bring this case home, baby. We gotta get to the courtroom fast, though. Come on, follow me.
Well, ladies and gentlemen of the court, it appears that no one is going to appear today on behalf of the people of
No!
Atlantis. So,
Hold the presses! Stop the presses!
oh boy,
I'm
look
here!
what the cat dragged in.
I'm here!
Mr.
No.
Maverick, you are aware that we like to start court cases on time, are you not?
I had to get my person.
Your
Who's gonna help
person?
me? What's the word?
Very well.
The
your
suspect.
witness. Your
the
witness.
Yes,
Mr.
witness.
Maverick. Very well. Check in with Miss Red, and then we'll begin.
Miss Red, Mrs. Stretch is gonna be here. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm so sorry, Your Honor.
Yes, yes. Sit down. All sit. Well then, now that everyone is here, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Supreme Court of Mods. My name is Angry Judge, spelt the normal way. Angry Judge. Now,
Is that
we
with
are
a
here
Q?
today- Mr. Maverick,
I think the people should know. The people should know, for the record, if it's with a Q or a G.
it is not spelt with a Q, Mr. Maverick. Let the record show that Mr. Maverick asked a foolish question. Now, we're here today to begin the process, hearing the case of Snappy the Shark versus the people of Atlantis. Now, Snappy the Shark here claims that the people of Atlantis deliberately tried to kill him by poisoning the water. Not only that, but he is also charging the Mod Hospital for not coming forth with all the truth. They have apparently, allegedly, covered up evidence supporting his claims. Now, we will hear opening statements from both teams. Mr. Minion, would you like to say something on behalf of your client, Snappy Shark?
But? Oh. Ta-da! 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 Hey, oh!
Very well, Mr. Minion. Mr. Maverick, would you like to say something on behalf of the people?
Yes. I think I might have dropped something. Just.
Mr. Maverick?
Okay, yes, my opening statement. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, animals and humans alike, I represent the people of Atlantis. You are the people of Atlantis. This case will go down in history as one of the most important cases in our entire kingdom. Now, what Snappy the Shark says, it has a flashy title, yes, and it might get all of your attention, and the media will definitely jump on it because they want the ratings and such. But why would a hospital try to cover up for the kingdom? Now you might say me being the king of Atlantis and having a stake in the people and the kingdom of Atlantis, that might support the fact. Well, no, at Broken Mods Hospital, we supported the mods and the people, the patients. We treated villains and heroes alike. We did not, for the record, Sharky, or Snappy, the shark, was unconscious. I had no clue what was going on at the time. And the people of Atlantis, we plead not guilty. Now I think you should take the time to realize the stake, what this case holds. You are people of Atlantis, and if you decide against yourself, you will be charged. That is all. That is all, Judge.
Very well, Mr. Maverick. Well, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you have now heard the opening statements from both prosecution and defense. Far be it from me to impose any ideas upon you, but it seems that as citizens of Atlantis, it would behoove you not to implicate yourselves. Hint, hint, members of the jury. So, now that we have heard the opening statements, why don't we take a short recess? Clients, you may confer with your attorneys. We shall resume again momentarily. Oh, I forgot my gavel.
Rasmus, I think we have a slam dunk here, man. Who is that, Cody? That's Ostrich. She was awake for when Snappy was at the slums. Rasmus, she saw him eating the trash himself. He's a trash picker. Rasmus, man, it's a slam dunk. We're gonna win this case with her as a witness. Oh my gosh, it couldn't get any easier, man. And the jury, they're not gonna side against themselves. They're shooting way too big. They're shooting for the moon here. We're gonna be completely fine, Rasmus. Don't you worry. Man, this is taking forever, Rasmus. Do you have like Flappy Bird, man? I had coffee and I'm like losing my mind, and I need to play some like with.
All right. Quiet in the courtroom. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now resume testimony.
You took long enough. Hey,
Hey.
that's not even your chair. He doesn't even go here.
Mr. Maverick, that's enough. All right, everybody sit down. Good, you're seated. Well, it appears that Mr. Dolph the Dolphin over here, you've already called your witness. Very well. Proceed, Mr. Minion.
But? Oh, what? Banana.
Fascinating testimony. Mr. Minion, do you have any further questions for your witness?
What?
Very well. Does the defense have any questions for the witness?
Oh, of course I do. Oh, you guys, Mr. Snappy, I see your tricks. Well, oh, Mr. Dolph, I have a question for you. Well, you, being a dolphin and all, I'm sorry to have to point this out, but members of the jury, this is substantial, and you need to take note. What way were you laying on your bed? Did you perhaps sleep on your side?
But?
Overruled.
Would you say that you were maybe not able to see fully what was going on down at the slums from your apartment? Would you happen to say that? Because you were sleeping on your side and you couldn't see from your side from the window, because if you were laying down, the only thing that would be pointing at the window was your dolphin nose. No further questions.
Well, it's quite the observation, Mr. Maverick. Quite a twist indeed. Jury, I hope you've taken close and careful notes of everything that just happened here.
Oh, of course they did. The jury's beautiful.
Mr. Maverick, it is noted that the jury is indeed a beautiful group of individuals.
I mean, look at this man. I'm sorry, Mr. Angry Judge. But look at this man. He's wearing eyeliner. He's beautiful.
Mr. Maverick, you can hit on the jury after the court has recessed for the day. Very well, and on that note, Mr. Dolph, you are excused. Thank you for your witness, Mr. Minion. I don't think that it helped your case. Mr. Maverick, would you like to call any witnesses to the stand?
Oh, of course I would. I have Mrs. Stretch. Mrs. Stretch. Boy, do I have a few questions to ask you. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, please pay close attention. Mrs. Stretch, where were you on the day when Sharky ate the trash? She was on a date with Mr. Snappy the Shark. Okay, so what happened leading up to the incident? He's a dumpster diver. He's a trash picker. He loves to eat trash. And what happened next? Something got caught in his throat and he was embarrassed. So you know what he said before he went unconscious and before he was sent to the hospital? that he was gonna sue the entire Atlantis kingdom. And he was gonna stage this entire thing just to earn a buck and to impress or make up for the embarrassment that he had on his date. Well, I don't think you choking was the embarrassment. It was you being a dumpster diver. No further questions.
Well, 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 that was some very interesting testimony. Thank you for bringing forth this witness, Mr. Maverick. Snappy the Shark, you trash picker. Well, I think I've heard all that we need to hear today. Why doesn't everyone comment down below and let us know who you think should win? Hashtag Atlanteans or hashtag Snappy? You decide.